You sure says round that side, huh?
Yeah, I think remember right here, so.
So it's not much further going down then.
Just drive me, I tell you if you turn.
From the time you tell me that till now. But I trust what you tell me, so we're gonna find it. What really happened with her? Tell me.
You know the truth is, it's a very long story. Not even if we can talk about it. We never mean for the car. It's like we just didn't lose myself. Like, I don't know what happened. Just in the car.
One lick. I don't know. It never looks up to me when we see her. Black and blue. Look.
So you see her? You get to see her?
I'm sorry all of this happened, but all that matter now, we'll go for her.
So, you think they were gonna put a car?
They don't have no choice. This a go on too long now.
You never did read so far, and I'm sorry you read so far. I'm sorry. At the end of the day, I still my daughter.
Oh. Good of you to think that now, though.
Hold on there. Show me back over there.
I want to drink the light. You see something?
Look on a steel part there over there, sir. Same thing I see now, sir.
True.
Yeah, man. My same color on the house there.
You think of yourself?
After?
Alright, come on, go check it.
You alright? You sure?
Yeah, alright.
Don't worry yourself. This will all be over. A little from now. Just try and relax. And stay right here.
So where you go?
Just stay right here. Please. What go on, man?
You tell me what go on, you know.